Now, before anybody comments, in the Swift manual, that is the correct way because we don't have a hook on it. So that is the correct way. There we go. Disaster, guys, oh my god. Got all the way to Whitby to find out that the pitch wasn't fully serviced, but to make it worse, I forgot to pack the aqua roll. Oh yes, no water. So the quest for the holy aqua roll started. So I had to drive all the way back to Brid. I'm currently stuck in traffic. I have conquered dragons, trolls, but that isn't the worst. The worst is the school run traffic. Oh my god. It's horrendous. And I've got to drive back yet. Well, I made it back. I made it back home. The quest for the holy aqua roll is complete. So now I've got to go back. God, isn't the school run an absolute nightmare? An absolute nightmare. So I'm going to reward myself with a nice cornetto. Fantastic. Word of advice. Unless you've got to go out there when the school run is on, stay at home, stay at work. Honestly, it's carnage. We finally made it. We're back. Now where's the pub? This is a nice site. So everybody is already in the pub.
Said the crack all of seaside towns.
So that was in the Sun newspaper, you mean?
Yeah. So we did an expose to say. And this is what
I'm going to tell you a story. I probably told you because it don't.
There you go.
There you go.
How doody. How you all doing, people? Good to see you all. Keep it simple. That's all we can say about life.
And you are?
She makes things.
I'm Andy from, and the other half, our Pollyanna Da Vinci, Burlesque Preston Esquire, from Travel Northerners. Everyone. So
Travel Northerners.
Travel Northerners.
And we have?
I'm Vicky, not a YouTuber, just a subscriber, so just here to meet you guys for the weekend.
And you have a
basecamp too.
Yes! Yes! Swift basecamp too. And we have...
That's how we like.
Who are you?
You.
Go on then, come on, don't be shy.
Joanne and Paul.
Hi guys.
And your channel?
PJ Touring.
Yes! And we have...
I'm Paul, I'm with her. that being Vicky.
Do you want to go walk the plank?
I don't want to lose
Anybody else? Vicky, I never got you and Pauline doing that, by the way.
Have you all done it yet?
In tandem. Guys, you want to go and walk the plank?
You gonna have a go?
Come on, ladies!
Yeah. You gonna have a go at the walking the plank? Apparently,
I am a plank.
you're the person to ask.
Yeah.
Pork scratchings.
Yes.
Midlands.
West Midlands.
I'm from Wolverhampton.
Brown Hills originally.
Oh, nice to meet you, sir.
All right.
Yeah.
So what are you doing around here?
I actually live in Bridlington. I have for 20 years.
Oh.
But I am a Wolves fan.
Oh dear.
We know a few of those.
We do know.
Who do you support?
Who my wife tells me to.
Who do you support?
Forest.
Forest.
Nottingham
Come on,
Forest,
you
yeah.
lads.
Doing well. Nuno. Nuno.
Nuno.
Oh,
We're on the piss with Nuno. That's what we
no,
do.
no, I
We're on
like
the piss
Nuno.
with Nuno.
Forest.
Forest. Gotta
Yeah,
be.
oh.
Yeah.
And your names?
Gaz.
Gaz?
So,
You don't mind being on YouTube?
absolutely not.
No.
Yeah,
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Yeah, spot on.
I think he's going to try and walk the plank now, aren't you?
Yeah, come on.
Walk it.
Come on.
He's going to walk the plank.
Yeah. Do a silly dance as well.
Hey, walk the plank.
Yeah, walk the plank. So Andy, come on over this. So we're off on the Cinder route for our walk to Whitby. So apparently it's an old railway track, they said. So basically take this route and it gives you the option of going towards Whitby or Robin Hood's Bay, which is very nice as well. But today we're off to Whitby. And it's baking up.
I need a new pair of sunglasses.
So we're going to find you a new pair of sunglasses. Hopefully.
Yes.
Look at the scenery. Feels like we're walking through somebody's bloody...
Well, I think it's public access. So.
Yeah. Some sheepies.
They seem to be all the rage, don't they then?
Yeah. Some interesting spots along here, isn't there?
There's some really interesting look. Yeah, you've got your big chalets as well. Really nice. You can see why this is popular.
Yeah, I quite like this cinder trail because
It's really nice.
it's covered with trees and
Oh, I'm loving the coverage.
yeah, you're not
You're not constantly
exposed
baked
to the
in
sun.
No,
It's quite a refreshing walk, isn't it?
it is. Because even though some bits you are in the sun, you then come across bits where it's all shaded like this and it's beautiful.
Yeah, it's stunning.
Makes everything a bit cooler.
I filmed that. Would you have a go?
No.
No?
Not in your life.
Oh, that's a definite no, isn't it?
That's a really big definite no.
Jumping off a viaduct.
Yes. With just a piece of elastic tied to your ankles.
Yeah. What can possibly go wrong? What can possibly go wrong?
Yes.
We've all seen them videos, haven't we?
We have all seen them videos.
Ah! It's not even that deep, is it?
No. So if they do hit it, they're literally going to just hit the ground.
Splat.
Yeah.
Splat.
It'll be like hitting concrete anyway.
Yeah. Yeah. What about if it misjudges and you swing back and hit the wall?
I know.
It's all these things to consider. Not for the faint-hearted.
Really not.
Not for me anyway, I don't like heights.
Really, really not.
So one of the things we like about having the Swift Basecamp 2 is it's opened up a load of opportunities to us.
Oh my God, we'd have never known about this.
No.
We'd have never thought in a month of Sundays, oh let's go and stop somewhere near Whitby. Because we'd have gone, oh well we don't really want to stop near Whitby because we only live up the road, so
Yeah.
we'll just go for a day out.
And we would have
We'd
drove
have known
there.
about this and we'd have drove there.
We would have drove there, parked up,
Yeah.
and just gone around the town.
Yeah.
But from Hawkster, where the site is where we're staying at York Coast Caravan Park, we've walked along this cinder route, which is a cinder
yeah.
track, which is apparently an old railway line route.
Yeah.
And it's taken us past
Beautiful.
little CL sites, glamping pods, and along the route there's walkers, there's cyclists, you know, there's walking groups. We've
There's
seen.
even little benches where you can just take a seat and, you know, get a rest.
Yeah.
Break.
Yeah. It's fantastic, isn't it?
It's lovely.
Nice cool breeze.
Yeah. And when you're in the shade, oh, it's lovely. Heaven.
And today is the longest day. It is June the 21st. So we've got did they say this morning 19 hours of daylight or
Yeah,
something?
something like that.
Yeah. Because at the same time, the Antarctic, the scientists down there are celebrating the shortest day. So there you go, a bit of information for you. So we're sort of having a walk to Whitby. We're going to find somewhere to eat and have a drink. For some reason we've both turned around and said
We're both craving a nice big pint glass filled with ice of ice cold Diet Coke.
I'm licking my lips, I'm like blah, blah, blah. Caroline unfortunately is suffering with hay fever.
Really, really bad.
Really bad, and the glasses have one of the arms has broke.
On my glasses.
And
So if you can see me keep doing that,
Yeah.
that's why.
You
Because
can see the squiff.
they're on the slope.
Yes. Now I would have lent to my glasses, but mine are prescription. But I did offer
You did.
because of the hay. Your hay fever's bad, isn't it?
Oh.
And you can't really take anything, can you? Like me,
Yeah.
can't do it.
If I take an antihistamine, the trouble is, within about half an hour, I go really sleepy.
Yeah.
Really sleepy.
If you look at one of
If I
our
want to do
previous,
anything, I can't.
if you look at one of our previous videos,
Hold on.
more cyclists.
How do? Sorry?
What's your called? What you called?
Travel Northerners. Travel Northerners.
Travel Northerners.
And Basecamp Adventures.
Get yourself over, guys.
Hold on.
And
I'm not recording yet, you mental.
we've got the same camera, the same ones on actually.
Right, bang, we're on.
Travel Northerners.
No, do it again.
Travel Northerners.
Travel Northerners.
Get yourself over to Travel Northerners.
Basecamp Adventures.
Oh, look at this. We've got a Vanlife outing.
You better believe it.
We're parked up for the weekend or what?
Yes,
Yes.
we're at York House.
York House. We're at the pub at the top of the hill, aren't we? What's it called? I haven't got a clue. I don't know where it is or how we're going to get home. But anyway. So
You
this
just
is
roll
what
with
we're
it.
getting from.
Just roll with it, don't you? Just roll with it.
We'll be rolling with it all right. So, anyway, it's a big group getting very, very drunk. Up here in Moretti, up Lardy Darga, as I call it, Lardy Darga. Do they sell Guinness here?
Guinness.
Do they?
Do. I don't know.
Oh, I hope they do. If they don't,
It was because you were on about coming back with your bike, weren't you?
Yeah.
To go there, yeah.
You can get, if you do the whole track, it goes from Scarborough to Whitby.
Yeah.
So it's a good 30k, I think it is.
And we did 3/4 of it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We just ramboed it. We just ramboed it.
Yeah. So, and because we met up with them down. Oh, you were there when we met that Yorkshire. Yeah. From YouTube.
Yeah. What was his name?
The Yorkshire. You'll have to see Paul there.
Yeah.
And Joe recognised him, like, but
Because we might all get a shout out, you know.
Yeah, possibly. So we'll go back and see Pauline. I want to try and go up and see Paul, see if they're up, because I want to quickly show you their awning. I know a few people have asked about awnings, so we'll catch you up again. But anyway, guys, it's been an absolutely fantastic weekend.
It's been brilliant. We've loved it. Hope to do it again.
Yeah.
At some point, we're going to look to maybe come up your way next.
Good, because you're on about Beamish next, weren't you?
Beamish, yeah. So we're going to try that.
Yeah. No, we'll sort something out. Definitely look forward to it.
Yes.
It is the basey. All ready to go. All hooked up, you all hooked up?
All the lights done, checked, all the safety checks done. It is absolutely spot on. Spot on.
It's been a brilliant weekend. I've loved it.
Yeah. Enjoyed it.
It's felt like I've been on a week's holiday.
It has. I think it was that boozy night, wasn't it?
That's it takes out you, man, doesn't it? You know? It's good when you think about it. It's like a Friday night, and then you kind of. It's your weekend. If you have too much, it's your weekend gone.
Yeah.
Yesterday, I'd rather have been out and a little bit too, like, rake around a bit better.
Anyway, the final word from us is thank you very much for watching.
Please subscribe. It's totally free.
It's absolutely free. And last word from Andy.
I don't know what you do, but keep doing it because you're doing a good job. There you go.
See you later. There we go.